Hello everyone. Today we continue our class. Today we talk about the Chinese character with sound ang. Okay. So in the second tone ang is one character. In the third tone and the first tone ang is one character. Okay. So about the ang. Okay. This is ang. So this character are two parts. First part means central, middle. Second part means tile, pottery. So he means a big belly opening a small tile container. Okay. So he means the original meaning belly, big mouth, small pottery. Okay, big mouth pottery. Second meaning full, filled. This is ang. Okay. This is ang. This is ang. This character two parts. First part means sand. Okay, behavior sky. Second part means ang. Okay, so he means the towards the sky, the head towards the sky. Look at the sky. Okay. Second meaning adjective, exalted, rising. Okay. Thank you for watching.